Another way to highlight key points in your screencast is by creating a pop-out zoom effect and spotlight in CAMTASIA. Coming up next on my virtual workroom. Hey guys, Glenda here. There are quite a few ways to point out important details in your screencast video, like adding zoom, annotation, and sketch motion callout. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you another way to highlight key points for your software demos. This is by creating a combination of pop-out zoom effect and spotlight using CAMTASIA. To create the pop-out zoom effect, we are going to use custom animation, restore, spotlight, and fade transition. Here in my timeline, I already added the screencast recording. What I want to do is to make this box pop out right here. So the first thing we need to do is to split the media to mark off the start and end points of the animation. We have to find the right timing and then press S on your keyboard to split the media. Now this becomes your start point. The next thing is finding the end point of the animation and then split the media. Then we have to copy and paste this portion directly above it. Remember that this piece of media is where we're going to apply the animations. Now with the crop mode, remove everything until you're left with only this box. When you're done, return to the edit mode by selecting this arrow. We are now going to add animation to this media. Put the playhead anywhere on the left side to change the animation's beginning state. Click Shift-A to add custom animation. The length of the animation arrow determines how long the change will take. Most of the time, I just use the default setting. Now drag the border to scale up to 150% for example. Make sure that you position the playhead after the animation arrow so that it captures this instruction. To make this box stand out, we can add the border from the visual effects, change its color and thickness. We can also add the drop shadow effect. Next is to drag the playhead at the end of the clip. Then add the restore animation so that the box returns to its original state. Finally, add the spotlight from the Annotations tab and place it above this media. Make sure it starts right from the animation arrow and ends before the restore animation begins. Then, adjust the spotlight to match the size of this box. Apply fade transition to the spotlight. Now let's see how it looks like. So there you have it. That's how you create a pop-up zoom effect with spotlight in CAMTASIA. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.